Biopesticides and the environment, sustainability perspectives. Biopesticides and the environment, sustainability perspectives. Introduction. One such strategy that has gained significant attention is the use of biopesticides, which are derived from natural substances and organisms. In this article, we will delve into the concept of biopesticides and explore their potential sustainability perspectives. What are biopesticides? Biopesticides are a class of pesticides derived from naturally occurring substances, such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. They work by controlling pests through various mechanisms, including repellents, deterrents, and toxicity to pests. Unlike synthetic chemical pesticides, biopesticides generally have low toxicity and pose minimal risk to non-target organisms, including humans. Sustainability benefits of biopesticides. 1. Reduced environmental impact. One of the key advantages of biopesticides is their reduced environmental impact compared to conventional chemical pesticides. Biopesticides are often highly specific in their mode of action, targeting only particular pests while leaving beneficial organisms unharmed. This specificity minimizes the risk of collateral damage to non-target organisms, such as pollinators and natural predators, which play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. 2. Reduced chemical residues. Chemical residues from conventional pesticides have been a cause of concern in terms of food safety and environmental pollution. Biopesticides, on the other hand, tend to have lower residue levels as they break down more rapidly in the environment. This is particularly beneficial for crops that are frequently consumed without undergoing extensive processing, as it lowers the potential for human exposure to pesticide residues. 3. Preservation of natural resources. Many biopesticides are derived from naturally occurring sources, such as plants and microorganisms. This reliance on natural resources reduces the need for synthetic chemical production, thereby conserving energy and reducing greenhouse gas emissions associated with the manufacturing process. Furthermore, the use of biopesticides encourages the preservation of biodiversity, as it supports the conservation of natural habitats where these organisms thrive. Challenges and limitations. While biopesticides offer promising sustainability perspectives, there are several challenges and limitations that hinder their widespread adoption. 1. Efficacy and persistence. Biopesticides may not always have the same level of efficacy and persistence as chemical pesticides. Their performance can be influenced by various factors, including weather conditions, pest population, ions, and the timing of application. Additionally, the limited persistence of some biopesticides may require more frequent applications compared to chemical pesticides, which can increase operational costs for farmers. 2. Regulatory hurdles. The registration and regulatory processes for biopesticides can be complex and time-consuming. The lack of standardized evaluation methods and criteria often poses challenges for manufacturers seeking approval for their products. This can result in delays in bringing biopesticides to market and limits the availability of alternatives to conventional chemical pesticides. 3. Market accessibility and cost. The availability and accessibility of biopesticides can vary across different regions and markets. The production and distribution infrastructure for biopesticides may be less developed compared to T. Head of chemical pesticides, making it difficult for farmers to access these products. Additionally, the production costs of biopesticides can be higher due to factors such as research and development. Production limitations and economies of scale. This can sometimes make them less financially viable for small-scale farmers. Future outlook. Despite the challenges, the future outlook for biopesticides appears promising as advancements in research and technology continue to expand their potential. Additionally, greater awareness and demand for sustainable agricultural practices from consumers and policymakers may also provide an impetus for the growth of the biopesticide market. The use of biopesticides, derived from natural substances, has gained attention as an alternative pest management strategy. Biopesticides have several sustainability benefits, including reduced NVR. On mental impact, lower chemical residues, and preservation of natural resources. They are specific in their mode of action and pose minimal risk to non-target organisms. However, there are challenges to their widespread adoption, such as efficacy and persistence, regulatory hurdles, and market accessibility and cost. Advancements in research and technology, increased regulatory support, and growing awareness of sustainable practices can help overcome these challenges. Biopesticides have the potential to revolutionize pest control practices and contribute to a more sustainable agricultural system. Their reduced environmental impact, lower chemical residues, and reliance on natural resources make them a sustainable alternative. However, challenges such as efficacy and persistence, regulatory hurdles, and market accessibility and cost still need to be addressed. Furthermore, the integration of biopesticides into integrated pest management (IPM) programs can enhance their effectiveness and overall sustainability. IPM combines different pest control methods, including biological control, cultural practices, and the judicious use of pesticides, to manage pests in a holistic and environmentally friendly manner. By incorporating biopesticides into IPM strategies, farmers can further reduce reliance on chemical pesticides and promote long-term pest management solutions. In addition, ongoing research and development efforts are focused on improving the efficacy, stability, and persistence of biopesticides. Scientists are exploring innovative formulation techniques, such as encapsulation and nanoemulsion, to enhance the delivery and performance of biopesticides. By improving the stability and persistence of biopesticides, farmers can reduce the frequency of cations and improve their cost-effectiveness. Moreover, regulatory agencies play a crucial role in the adoption and use of biopesticides. Harmonized guidelines for biopesticide evaluation and registration are being developed to ensure consistent and efficient evaluation of product efficacy and safety. These regulatory advancements are expected to facilitate market access and increase the availability of biopesticides for farmers. It is also important to increase awareness and education about biopesticides among farmers, policymakers, and consumers. Outreach programs, training workshops, and educational campaigns can help farmers understand the benefits of biopesticides and learn how to integrate them into their pest management practices. Consumer education can promote the demand for sustainably produced food and create a market pull for biopesticide products. By working together, these stakeholders can share knowledge, resources, and expertise to address the challenges and overcome barriers to wider biopesticide use. In summary, biopesticides offer a sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to pest management. Their reduced environmental impact, lower chemical residues, and preservation of natural reservoirs make them an attractive alternative to conventional chemical pesticides. While challenges and limitations exist, advancements in research, regulatory support, market accessibility, and awareness can address these issues and promote the wider adoption of biopesticides. Biopesticides and the environment, sustainability perspectives.